Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crawling text, just like a news sticker or credits roll. Let's get started. First, let's add a new text. Go to the text tab and select default text. Click the plus icon and you've created your text layer. Then position it to the bottom of your screen. Drag the end of the text layer on the timeline to extend it for however long you want the crawl to last. Move your playhead to the start of the text clip and tap the keyframe diamond icon for the position. Drag your text all the way to the right off screen. Then move to the end of the clip, add another keyframe and drag the text all the way to the left off screen. The longer your clip, the slower the crawl will be. If you want it faster, shorten the clip duration. If you want it slower, make it longer. And if you want to learn how to customize your text, you can watch my video dedicated on that.
And that's it for this video.
If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.